little bitch, you can fuck with me.
Hey YouTube, it's me, Nicole Apollonia again. I'm here today because I have a great idea. I wanted to do a natural makeup look that is wearable, that's not too hard, not too complicated for all you beginners out there, which is also myself a beginner with makeup as well. Like I said in my last video, this is a journey for me and you. So this look is going to be a natural makeup look, and I'm also going to incorporate a burnt orange eyeshadow. So I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My information will be below for you to follow me if you're interested. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm really excited about this. Yay! So please stay tuned and I will talk to you later. Bye. First, I'm taking my eyeshadow. I've already applied some of it. I used a burnt orange out of a Morphe palette that I had. And I'm going to take my blending brush and add some more of that burnt orange on there and blend it all in and add it in more where it's more intensified as far as the color. So you're just going to blend that in. Next, I'm going to take my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and spray myself with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray. And also, you guys, if you're interested in the primer that I decided to use, it is called the Estee Lauder Illuminating Radiant Perfecting Primer Plus Finisher. So once again, you just blend all of that foundation in. The key is to blend. I don't know much, but I do know that much, that you want to have a nice, even face. So once you have your foundation applied, you're going to add nylon frost to the inner corners of your eyes just to add a highlight effect, just to give a little glow, to make your eyes pop. Note I'm going to take the Prep and Prime MAC highlighter pen to kind of tone that down underneath the eyes, but it'll just give a nice subtle effect. Next, we're going to take our MAC Prep and Prime in Light Boost and take some of that out. This is a highlighting pen. I really, really love this. And it gives you just a good highlight. It's also great to clean up under your eyebrows whenever you're doing your eyebrows. It just gives you that clean, crisp look. So this is a really, really good product. So I'm just putting that all under my eye area. And I'm going to blend all of this out. I'm also going to highlight my forehead, my nose. And I'm just going to take that and bring that down there. Wham! So there it goes. I'm giving you the wham phase. I'm going and I'm blending that all in. I'm going to blend all that on my forehead and in the middle of my nose. Yes, for the light boost. I don't know if you can see the difference, but that highlighter pen is something else, you guys. I'm going to leave the information below. So now I'm taking that frost and I'm going to just highlight under my eyebrow just to give my eyebrows some definition. And I'm also going to go back in there later and blend in that orange some more. So it almost looks like an ombre effect, like it's just fading into the orange. So I'm just blending all that in and I'm making sure that those eyebrows are popping. And they are, honey. So now I'm going to go and take that orange and just blend that in. I want a smooth transition from the frost to the orange. So I'm just blending that all in the crease of my eye. And I'm going to do the other side just the same. Oh, yes. Orange lady, orange lady, come through, orange lady. Yes, I'm just blending all of that in. Who is that around the corner? It's the NYX Curve. I'm using that on my lids, and I'm just going to make that cat eye. Take your time when you're doing your cat eye. It's no need to rush. To get a good cat eye, it's always good. It takes time. So just take your time. So next I take some more of that frost. And it just has more of a pinker hue. I know you can't see it on camera, but it has more of like a pinker, palish hue. It's hard to explain. But I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eyes just to add a little bit more because the concealer pen kind of knocks some of that out. So I'm just going to go in there with my angle brush. And I'm also going to touch up under my eyebrows again with that same frost. And then I'm going to go under my other eye. I'm going to go in next with the Scandal Kiss New York Professional Lip Gloss. And this is a matte gloss. It dries like a matte color. I actually have a set of these. My next video, I'm actually going to do a review on all of these colors, like a color swatch. So stay tuned for that. This is like almost, I would say it's a pink color, like a pink peach color. And I thought that would kind of play off the eye makeup look. Now I'm going to take my MAC Next to Nothing pressed powder and a flat sponge and put the product on the sponge and dab under my eyes just to add even more highlight under my eyes because you know we love our highlight. I'm also going to put that on the top of my head. I'm also going to put that down the center of my nose. I'm going to use my LA Colors bronzer, which is really reasonable. I love LA Colors. I will recommend them if you're looking for a reasonable makeup. And I'm just going to put that and contour my forehead, blend that in. And I'm also going to do my other cheek as well. So when you're doing your cheeks, you want to make sure that that's blended in and natural looking. So I'm just making sure that's all blended in. Also, you guys, bronzers are really, really good if you're looking to warm your face. It just adds a little bit of color. My foundation is quite light, so I like to put a bronzer on top just to add a little bit of something extra to my skin and also add a glow. So as you can see, it's coming together. So far, so good. I'm blending my forehead again, making sure that's all not splotchy. Next, I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend all that in a little bit more. That way, it's a smooth transition from the frost to the orange. And I'm going to take that pretty copper color, and I'm going to take a round-ended brush and just put that on there and put the product on my eye. And I'm going to put it like on the inner corner. That way, it's like a transition from that orange to that pretty copper penny color. All right, so now the curve is back. I'm cleaning up my fallout and I'm using the Curve Liner by NYX. And I'm just touching up, making sure that all the fallout is not on the lid liner because we don't want that on our cat eye. And I'm also taking that and doing some brush strokes like hairs on my eyebrows. And as you can see, the look is getting closer to being complete. Next, I'm going to take my brush and blend that on my cheeks. And I'm going to now take my Heat Wave by Estee Lauder Luminizing Bronzer that I love dearly. You have to try this bronzer. I'm not sponsored by any of these people. This is just my honest opinion. But look at that highlight. I'm also going to leave this below as well so you can find that. But I just think that's great just for a little highlight effect. It's like a luminous shine with a tan. If you want to look tan and glowing, I would definitely recommend this product. Next, I'm going to take my Sumptuous Extreme Waterproof Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara by Estee Lauder and just put that on my eyelashes. I decided not to do false lashes because the eyeshadow enough on its own, it could be a lot. So I'm just going to do a natural lash and I'm just going to apply that all the way on my eyelashes. Let that dry. And you guys, this mascara is actually a waterproof mascara. So if you're looking for a good waterproof mascara, definitely check them out. Estee Lauder's Sumptuous Extreme Waterproof Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. That is a long name, but I do like it a lot. It kind of reminds me of the Dior Show mascara, if anybody's familiar with that. So next, I'm going to take my MAC blush. And this is in the color Rosine. Matte, and it's Raizin. This is just something you could actually contour with this, but it's like a dark burgundy. And I'm just going to take that, and I just want to intensify my cheekbones. And there is the look, all complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and stay beautiful.